Today we're working on a Lexus 2001. Don't really matter. Same thing as a Toyota 3.0. It's got the P1155, which is the air fuel sensor. Okay, it's not an O2 sensor. It's an air fuel sensor. What we're gonna do? We'll go over here. I've already ordered it. Toyota. You're gonna use this part number 89467 48011. This is an air fuel sensor. It's a 4-wire. Not an O2, it's an air fuel sensor. Goes right on your front. This is bank 2. Bank 1's over there, this is bank 2. Sensor 1 is always your air fuel sensor on a Toyota. And it'll be this one right here. So we're going to be changing that out here in just a minute and see if we can't correct this check engine light. Thing to get on here just to get a 7/8 wrench, use the boxed end, break it loose like that. I've got a bunch of oil filter, O2 wrenches and stuff, but to get in here, it's easier to just do it like that. And just, of course, untwist it. It plugs in right over here on the side, and you just got a little clip. Take off the clip on the side and pushing the button on the side there, and it'll come right off on you. Then just whip it around here like that, and then I'm going to screw it off. Alright, that's your air fuel sensor. Match it up, of course. Make sure it's the same as the old new one. Like I said, the part on the Toyota 89467-48011. That's Lexus, Toyota. Don't matter. It's 3.0 liter. All right, we'll get the new one in here. Okay, I just screwed the new one in, tighten it up. We'll go over here, of course, plug it back up. Set your little plastic piece in there. Alright, till it clicks. And then to set your little plastic piece back in there where it goes. If you can see it. Sometimes it's hard to see down here. Alright, so get that plastic piece in there, get that plugged up. I'm also changing oil if you're wondering why the cap's off. So I'm going to be finishing the oil change, and then we'll clear out the codes and see what we got. Alright, no more check engine. So when it has that air fuel sensor, change it. I mean, you can go through your test, you can do this and that and the other. I mean, it could have the worst fuel in the world. It could have 1,000 vacuum leaks, and it's not going to do that sensor. I'm telling you with experience, change that sensor when it comes up. That's the first protocol. If it's something else after that, then it's something else. But I'm going to tell you, 95% of the time, it's that sensor. I've done a million of them, and I know. And that's it for today. Tim's Auto. Got plenty more coming. Yeah, come on.